Annette and I are going to show you how to make this delicious vegetarian meal right now. So the ingredients include lion's mane, zucchini, and pesto sauce, which Annette is going to make right now. We have pine nuts, garlic, basil, food processor, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil.
Salt and pepper.
So she's going to make that, and then we're going to do the rest. She's camera shy.
Trying to prep without cutting myself.
Okay, I'll stay over here.
So today we're just making a quick homemade pesto. Basil, olive oil, pine nuts, garlic, salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese.
All right, so that's all the basil right there.
Yep, I'm putting all in.
All
It's
in.
from the farmer's market. It's fresh, it's clean. Oops. I'll do batches just so you get it right. About a cup of pine nuts. A little bit of pepper.
Salt.
Olive oil. Generous amount. And some Parmesan cheese. It's a taste, not a big deal. As much or as little as you want. Just
I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in here. Get that in a medium heat pan. And essentially, it's just gonna be, I've taken the lion's mane and I've cut it up into like little, kind of like large dice. I'm gonna add the garlic. I'm gonna let that go, kind of sizzle a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the lion's mane. In the meanwhile, Annette is gonna do the zucchini pasta.
Zoo noodles.
Zoo noodles. So essentially it's this little attachment. It's got like a cutter on there. You can get one of these on Amazon or wherever. Essentially it just makes the zucchini noodles. Okay, so now once that's going, we're just gonna go ahead and add the lion's mane. And that's pretty much all we're gonna do here. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Where's my salt? There's already a lot of salt going on here. And then we have this Mushroom and Company umami seasoning. This is from Trader Joe's. You don't have to add this. I'm just really just putting a smidge on here anyways. And it adds a little bit of, I don't know, it's kind of an interesting just salt mushroom flavor. And then we're gonna cover and let that go. We'll come back to it. All right, so this is going on. I'm gonna add just a smidge of water. Just a smidge.
And is the zucchini gonna go in now?
And there's the noodles. Not too much.
Okay.
All right, so this is the stage that we're at right now. It's only like maybe 2 or 3 minutes into it. Lion's mane is amazing because it is like literally just like meat. You can treat it and make any kind of meat dish in it. So we're gonna use half of this pesto that Annette made. Put it right in here. Oh my God, it smells so good. And we're gonna stir that in there. Get that going. And then just basically, we're gonna let that all steam together. And then as it starts to steam, we're gonna mix it together. So we're gonna cover it and we're gonna give that a few minutes.
Rinse this out.
Okay, so this is only a few minutes away from being done, and so I've kind of been stirring it here and there. Just use this big spatula, kind of turn it over. And then when it's done to your liking, basically just taste one of the zucchini strands, and if it is done enough, then it's done. All right, ta-da!
Perfection.
perfecto.
Okay, now we're starting to eat healthy in this house. Yay.
And so that's it. That's the basic gist of it. So hope you like this video and be sure to subscribe. My name is Todd. This is Annette, and we'll have more of these to come. Bye for now.